Hi everyone, it's me Leigh with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and I have my husband Johnny helping me videotape because behind the pink curtain is project shares. Yes, 3 or 4 project shares for design team for Janie, and her blog is Crafters Castle, and her YouTube is Janie the Crafter Princess Crafters Castle, but it's actually JJG 24 ever, 24 and ever, for like 24 ever. Here's the information, but I will put all the links down below. And she has a blog, and each month she actually finds people to donate supplies, and we get to craft with different supplies. So this time it is images that you buy off Etsy, and it's Victoria Designs. And she has Etsy and a Facebook, and it's Victoria with VECTORIA, Victoria Designs. And I will put that links down below. But I wanted to show you, if you join Victoria Designs, this is what you get for just joining for free in her blog, and I'll have all the links down below. You get that free print image, and you get all these images. If you're into junk journals, you get these images too, and you can just print it and all. So you get, I think, 9 sheets, and you get all those, and that's a great deal. So I'm going to show you the papers that I used, or I chose. I think I got to choose 5. So here is, this is just on regular paper, and I ended up, this is just my sample to show you, but I printed it on cardstock. And here is what I chose to make my project, and I'll show you one more that I chose to make my project. I'm trying to rush through it, but it's beautiful, beautiful paper. Once it said Paris, it had me. So that's what I used. And this is what I used. Now this is printed on heavy cardstock, but that's what I used. This is what I used. And this is what I used. Let's see. Here you go. Okay. And then I also was able to pick out other items. But I think I'm going to show that in my next video that I'm making. So let's get to what I made for y'all. And I thank you so much for hanging in there. So I made an explosion box. I made a nightlight. And then I made, you get 6, but I made 2 banners. You can hook them together, but I thought I'm giving this away to my daughter for Valentine's, and I thought she might want to put it on 2 different windows. So let's go through the banner first. All the extra little trims came from Hobby Lobby. And I chose the mint green, but I really almost chose a gray blue. But then I kind of fell in love with the mint green. But the colors are in the paper. So I put the trim, and then this is cardstock, and I put it on a cardboard, and then just blinged it and had little things out of my stash. So they're all coordinating. And I have a tutorial on banners. I have a tutorial on the explosion box. And I have a tutorial on my nightlight. So now let's show the nightlight. You know, I have a tutorial on that. And this is just paper. You could have printed any of this on fabric paper too. I almost printed it on fabric paper, but it worked out really well with paper, and I've done it with paper and fabric paper. So here's the nightlight I get from the dollar store, and there's the back. And make sure you use the lights that you get for Christmas that don't heat up. The LED, I think they're called. So let's look at the explosion box. All the trim is from Hobby Lobby, and the bling that matched, all coordinating beautifully. And I painted that to match. And this worked out beautifully because it's the same color. So let's explode it open. I think I may need to move it out a little. So here's the top with the little bling. But there it is. There is flowers that I painted to coordinate the word love. I used a black frame because it had black writing in it. Let's see if you can you see this, Johnny? Let's see. I don't know which one I should show because here is the paper here. Let's just show this. Here's the paper here. It's going to be backwards, but then here's paper. And then here's a different paper, but then there's a different paper here. So, and in this one, all four, there's a pocket. And I thought, you know, this was just my scrap paper and it can be for journaling. And you say, well, I'm printing paper. But there's a link, and I'll also give it to you. You can print for $10 a month, and it only costs you you can print 300 sheets and it only costs you $10 a month. So I think that's cheaper than me going and buying ink. For $10 a month, when your printer shows low, they automatically start sending it to you. So I think that's a great deal. So I'm never going to do 300 sheets. Now you can go to 50 sheets and I think it's $5, and you can go to $2.99 for 30 sheets. So it's so reasonable and cheaper to actually do it this way than buying paper pads a lot of the times. So I hope that you like my project, and please go join the Crafters Castle, Janie's blog, and please go shop at VectoriaDesigns, and all the links are down below. So I really hope you like this. I really loved it, and I'm giving it to Sarah for Valentine's Day, and I hope she likes it. All my links are down below, and I'm going to make another project and I think in 2 weeks with some more paper that I'll show you. So yeah, guys, I'm happy to be back crafting and enjoying it. Have a great day.